I'm looking outside my window. I try to see where my light goes. I just don't know how it's lit.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm EYELINER. So today we'll be doing another makeup tutorial look. This time we'll be doing everything from the eyeliners, eyeshadows, blush, highlighter, contour, bold lips, you name it. We're going to do everything. It's my birthday this weekend, so I kind of want to give you a sneak peek what I'm going to be doing, and then I'll put on my outfit and we can see how that looks as well. I got new products that just came in the mail today. I was so excited to get them so I can show you guys firsthand what those are like. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and put my foundation on, but first I moisturized. I have this argan oil milk. I put that on. It's very light. It's not too heavy because I really have oily skin. Then I use my primer, and today I use the POREfessional by Benefit. I love this product. It is good. It does have pores. And then I use this foundation today. It's in the Beauty Blender Bounce, and the color I use is 3.75. And as always, I use my Laura Mercier just to kind of set my foundation into my skin. Next, I'm going to be using the NARS concealer in ginger, and I'm going to set this under my eyes to kind of brighten up my under eyes. I'm going to kind of set it on my nose in the highlight areas. Then I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and just blend that out into my skin. And then I'm going to come with my powder, and I'm going to set those places. And then we're going to go ahead and work on our eyeshadows. And look what palette I just got. It's the Urban Decay in Honey. I really wanted to try this palette because I love all the nudes and the golds. Just look at those colors. As always, we're going to go ahead and start with a transition shade. Again, just a fluffy brush of your choice. And this is in the color Swarm. I'm going to just continue to use this fluffy brush and go with another color, and it's called Keeper. It's a little bit darker. Still going in my crease. And then I'm going to come in with a flat brush. And I'm using this color called Flyby, and I'm just going to carve out my eyelid. I'm so amazed with these colors and how pigmented they are. Like, I hardly have to press. Okay, I'm going to come back with that first brush, that fluffy brush, and kind of take out those harsh lines. Then I'm going to come in with another flat brush. And let's try the color Golden today. Just really packing that on my lid. Again, I'm going to get a clean fluffy brush, and then I'm going to go in with the color Sting. It's more on the brown side, and I'm going to mix it with Drip. It's a little lighter brown. Put it in this third outer corner. Buff that into my skin. Going to take another brush and kind of just work that, starting at the outer corner and just work in, kind of give it a more of a smoky eye. Next, I'm going to take my blurring powder brush and wipe away this excess powder. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my eyeliner on. I'm looking more for a dramatic cat eye. Make it a little bigger. And this is the Stella waterproof eyeliner. It's the liquid eyeliner, the one I used in one of my previous videos. And today I'll be using the IT Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara. Put at least 2 coats on there. You can pair this with some lashes, any of your choice. Then I'm going to be going in with some bronzer. I use it more for contour, but it's the Hoola Benefit. And I like to just kind of take my beauty blender and just to kind of go over that, because I really do not like a dramatic contour. And then I'm going to contour my nose as well with this. So I have the Morphe brush. It is the M164. It's flat. It's really great for contouring. So I just use it to contour my nose. Then I go back with my beauty blender and just to kind of smooth out those edges. And then I'm going to use the Mally Illuminating Blush. This is one of my favorite blush because it is light and it has some little sparkles in there as well. So, and then I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics brush in the Soft Touch blush. And I also like to use a little blush on my chin and right here as well. Highlighter time. So today I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills in Aurora in this palette, and these are how these colors look. I think today I want to kind of go with my outfit, so I'm going to be using this one. And it's called Spectra. So it has like a purple tint to it. And then I think I'm going to use Lyra. It's like more the yellow tint. I'm just going to add that little on top. Also, just to kind of make my eye makeup pop a little more, I'm going to use another Morphe pencil. And I'm going to put that Lyrica right in my inner eye. And last but not least, I'm going to be doing my lips. Now today I'll be using the BareMinerals pencil, and this is in the color Vibe. So I'm going to outline the lip shape of my lips with this pencil. And I'm going to be using a BareMinerals. This is a lipstick. It's called barePRO, and this is in the color Masala. And this is one of the new colors I got. Okay, and this is this finished look with this one. Any products that I use that I probably didn't mention, I'll be sure to link them down below in the description box. If you have any question about those or where did I get them from, I'll tag a link in those as well. But this is this finished look for my birthday look. I'm about to go add an outfit on it, come back and see what that looks like. Okay, and this is the finished look for my birthday this weekend. This is the dress that I've got. I got it on Lulu's. Just tell me what you think. Alright y'all, and this concludes this look for my birthday this weekend. Like I mentioned before, all the products I use will be down in the description box. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video.